To start, you'll need latex gloves, safety glasses, lint-free wipes, and a 1.5mm ball Allen. First, on the front panel, press and hold the power button to turn on the printer. Next, press the two clips on either side of the printhead to release the holster and gently slide it off with a downward motion. With the holster removed and using an appropriate wash, clean the printhead from the drop generator down, cleaning the charge electrode, deflector plates, and thoroughly cleaning the gutter. Using a lint-free wipe, gently dry all of the components from the drop generator to the gutter. This is an important step before proceeding with the alignment. Again, from the front panel, select the Settings button, then Diagnostics, followed by Test on the lower left-hand side of the screen. Select Alignment, then select the check mark to start the jet. Now remove the charge electrode by unscrewing the 1.5mm Allen screw on the right-hand side. Carefully slide the charge electrode out of the way. To align the ink stream, start by loosening the locking screw located on the front of the unit and adjust the set screw on the back as needed until the ink stream appears in the middle or center of the gutter. To do this, you will need to look at the printhead from the side. Turn the set screw clockwise to slowly move the ink stream to the back of the printhead. Turn the set screw counterclockwise to slowly move the ink stream to the front of the printhead. To adjust the ink stream horizontally, left to right, you need to ensure that the locking screw is loose. Then, turn the adjustment cam until the ink stream is 75% to the left of the gutter as shown. Once aligned, tighten and lock the locking screw in place. Next, loosen the two charge electrode screws located on the back of the unit by turning them 1/32 of a turn. These screws need to be loose enough to allow for adjustment, yet tight enough to hold the charge electrode in place. Using your fingers, gently adjust the charge electrode so that the ink stream flow is in the middle, center of the charge electrode both on top and bottom as shown. Once complete, lock the charge electrode screws in place. On the front panel, press Done to stop the ink stream. To finish, once again, thoroughly clean everything on the printhead from the drop generator down to the gutter, drying using the lint-free wipe. Then, gently slide the print cover back in place.